Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide, I will show you how to fix Demon Slayer Kimetsu na Yaiba The Hinokami Chronicles 2 game crashing or not launching error on PC. So let's go through it. So the first solution is to simply restart your system. So for that, click on here and then click on power and then click on restart option. This will restart your system. After your system restarts, now try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to the Steam, select library. Here if you have downloaded the game, then select the game. Here I have not downloaded the game, so I am showing you the methods that you can follow and try to fix the issue. So select the game. After selecting, right click on it, select properties. Now click on install files, then click on browse, and after that go to the folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, select properties, then click on compatibility, and then here click on run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Even you can also click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 and then click on apply and OK. And after, try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. The third is to verify integrity of game files. For that, simply go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, select properties, then click on install files, and after that click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the integrity of game files, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, select properties. Under general, here in the launch option, you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If it doesn't work, then simply type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. If not, the next solution suggested is to allow the game through firewall. For that, simply click on search option, then go to Windows Defender Firewall. Here you need to click on allow an app. After that, click on change settings. Now search for the game if it has been listed. If not, then simply click on allow another app, then click on browse, and after that click the game and add it to the list. After that, once your game is listed over here, now search for the game, go below wherever your game is and simply select it, then make sure both the private and public boxes are tick mark, and after that click on OK and then try to launch the game and check if this solution works. The next solution is to update graphics card. For that, simply go over the search option, click on device manager. Now go to display adapters, right click on the graphics, click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for drivers. This will install the latest drivers on your PC and then launch the game and check if it works, or else you can simply go to the link in the description I have provided and install the latest drivers graphics card on your PC and then try to launch the game. The next is to disable third-party overlay applications. If there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it, as enabling all these third-party overlay applications can interrupt into the game and stop you from playing. So make sure to disable all these overlay applications. Next is to update Windows. For that, simply go to the search option over here, click on check for updates. Here Windows Update interface will open. Simply click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. And after that, once your Windows is updated, launch the game and check if it is working now. Next is to close unnecessary background task. For that, simply click on the taskbar. Here click on task manager. Now under process tab, find out the apps that is consuming high resources or of no use. Simply select it, right click on it and click on end task option. After this, try to launch the game and check if this works. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, simply go to the Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here under general you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. It will be enabled, so simply click on disable option and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. The next is to clear download cache. For that, simply go to the Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that click on downloads and then go below and then click on clear cache option. This will clear cache the Steam, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to install Visual C++. For that I have provided the link in the description. Go through it, download and install the latest Visual C++ for your computer, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. Next is to disable antivirus program. If you have installed any antivirus program on your system, then it can also impact the game performance and stops you from playing and display crashing or not launching error on PC. So it's suggested to check the settings properly and disable the antivirus program, and after that try to play the game. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you need to add desktop app, or simply add the app from here in the list. After that, once you add it, this kind of interface will open. Here your game will be added, and under GPU preference it will be selected as let Windows decide. So here you need to click on high performance, select it, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works. If not, the final solution suggested is to uninstall the game. So simply go to in Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and then click on uninstall option, and again click on uninstall. This will remove the game from your PC, or even you can also go to the settings over here. Now click on apps section, then go to the install apps. Here you need to find the apps that has been installed or your game. Simply click on here and then click on uninstall option. This process will also remove the game from your PC, and after that restart your PC and again reinstall the game on your system and then try to launch the game. Hopefully this will work now and you can easily play the game. So some of the best solutions suggested to fix the crashing or not launching or other issues while playing the game. So that's all for now. Thank you.